Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on that link. My name is Nick with NorCal Rod and Reel. And a couple of the videos you saw last, I was out here fishing a jig. And we didn't end up catching one on the jig. We went to the old trusty wacky worm, which produced. So we're out here again, and today we're just going to fish the jig. That's it. We're just gonna fish the jig, and hopefully we end up catching a fish. Stay tuned. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. I will see you guys out on the water. See ripples. We're hitting the top water today. We do have some frogs, but we got to get at least one on the jig first. So much action on these. This jig is doing awesome right now. Last time we threw the jig, it was catching weeds on every cast. Is that a fish already? Yep. Oh. Literally after I talk about weeds. Ooh. I got this jig for 99 cents. You believe that? Local California company called Rodstrainers. Oh, there's a big turtle. Yeah. I've never used these jigs before, but for the price and just how simple they look, there was really no flare. I mean, if you look at the skirt, it literally is two colors, simple silicone, no frills, but they had a bunch of different styles and simple colors. So I was like, why not? Fish. Fish. Oh, came off. Gosh. How did we do? Okay, well, we know they're biting. We know this will work. Nice thing about it being so hot is the fact that nobody wants to be out here. Let's try to cast over here. That's a fish. Come on, you're not gonna come off. Oh, stuck in the weeds. Come on. Nice. Get him up. Yes. Another solid. Woo. Oops. Healthy fish. Look at that, right through the nose. Whew. Look at that. We are good. We are back. Let's go ahead. We'll get a picture with this guy really quick. And then, thanks, buddy. And he's gone. Nice. It was a little more traumatic than what I wanted, but hey, that worked. Good, they like the jig. For 99 cents too. I mean, you can't beat these. There we go. Okay, let's get another one. I think one thing I've had to teach myself is patience. I think, you know, when you first start fishing, you're on the reel so much that I'm sure, you know, just by default, you miss bites left and right. But the more you're patient and you wait, I think probably the better hookup ratio you have. I've had more luck fishing kind of like a finesse presentation than I have, you know, trying to get reaction strikes. Whereas before, when I first started fishing, it was all about reaction strikes. Because that's all that I knew. I thought you just had to move the bait and they chased it. Fish. Come on. Oh, that's a good sized guy too. Hold on. That's the tough part about the dock. Yes! Got him up. Oh, that's a bigger guy. He's much bigger. Not too shabby. Awesome. Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish. Okay, bud. See you later. The biggest fish I've caught so far in this pond, actually, I can't say just the wacky rig, but the jigs so far consistently, which still goes back and proves the point that jigs get the pigs, even though I can't really claim that any of these are pig status. Hey, but they're good fish. Well, everyone, I think we're gonna call that a day. We showed up here in the first hour. We ended up getting 3 bites, caught 2 fish, and they were actually good sized fish. So I'm starting to catch some bigger fish out of this pond, which is nice. Obviously the jig helped. And then for the past like hour and a half, 2 hours, I've just been trying the jig. And then recently we switched over to the Texas rig and I haven't been able to get anything. So I'm starting to get a headache because it's so damn hot out here and I've been out here for a while. So I'm gonna go grab a really cold drink, treat myself, and bask in the glory of catching, you know, at least those fish at the end of the day. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already yet, please subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying to get to 500 subs. Hopefully soon. My goal was by June, and you know, that didn't quite happen, but it's what it is. You know, you have to have a goal, and so you have to keep pushing for it. So if you guys haven't and you guys enjoy the channel, it would really mean a lot to me. Give it a thumbs up too. That helps me out a ton. And yeah, you know, I appreciate the support. So with that, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys again back on the water next time.